how to delete and rename a data file. Suppose here I want to delete student.txt and I want to rename temp.txt to student.txt. So how we are going to do this? On the left hand side, you will see that I have a text file. So here we have a file students. You can see on the left hand side. This is my file students. Now in this we have let us say 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 records. Okay, and let us make a copy of this. Okay, let us take these 3 records and I create a new file temp in Notepad, paste it here and name it as temp.txt. So we have student and where is my temp.txt? So for that, in order to rename temp as students, I will first have to delete the students file and then rename this file temp into students. So what I will do, I will create an object for student and will create an object for temp using the class file. There is one class file which contains delete function and rename to function. Now in order to read these, in order to use these functions, we need to have object for this class. So we are creating the class, we are creating the object for the classes. File old f is my name of the object which is connected with student.txt and another object new f which is connected with temp.txt, and this is the format of creating the objects for both the data files. So now if I want to access student.txt, I am going to use the object old f, and if I want to access temp.txt, I am going to use this object new f. Remember that this class file is under java.io package. Now using old f object, when I use this old f object to call delete function, actually student.txt will be deleted. And when I call rename function, rename to function using new f and rename to old f, then the name of temp.txt will become student.txt. And this file student.txt has been already deleted. So there will be no problem in renaming temp.txt into students.txt. Now when I run this program, you will see on the left hand side, if you keep watching these two files, you will see that temp.txt will be removed. इसमें से txt file हटा देते हैं. This will be removed and only this will remain. Actually what will happen, it will happen so fast that you will never know okay, what happened, but actually this file will be deleted and this file will be renamed. In order to know that this has been renamed to students, again watch the content of temp. Under temp you have only 3 records and in students you have 5 records. Now after execution of this program, you will see that students will have only 3 records because temp will be changed to students. I will just run this program. Okay, it will happen within seconds. I have executed the program and watch. Yeah, temp.txt or temp file has been removed and it has been renamed to students. Now you can see there are only 3 records in students file. So this is the format of deleting a file and renaming a file. Now the advantage of this, the advantage of deleting and renaming a file, you will find it when we are going to modify a file.